Whoever thought that we'd be doing beauty routines on this channel? What? Hi guys, my name is Becky and I'm from TheSorryGirls, and it's just me today because we're trying out some new stuff on the channel. You might see Just Kelsey too coming up soon. Today, I'm gonna be finding out if my makeup bag is cruelty-free. This is something I've been really curious about for a long time, but haven't done it just because I've been nervous that I'm gonna have to get rid of a lot of stuff, and you guys probably know makeup is not cheap. Kelsey's behind the camera, she's gonna be looking up stuff, I think on a couple websites. We'll link the ones that we use below to check all these things. Okay, I guess I'll do things in the order that I would put them on my face. Also, everything is gonna be really dirty. I need makeup wipes already. So the first thing I use is this concealer, and it's by Tarte, Rainforest of the Sea concealer. So tell me, does Tarte pass?
The foundation that you're putting on your face is cruelty-free.
Yay! I get to keep you, which is good because I actually like this a lot. I actually don't wear foundation. This is technically concealer because I have sensitive skin and a lot of things break me out. Next, I use this, which is Marc Jacobs. This thing, I'm not a beauty expert by the way. It's like a contouring palette thing. And I use this light color to go over anywhere I put the concealer, and it just kind of makes it set. That's the word.
It's cruelty-free.
Yes. This one, I already have a feeling is not gonna be good. And I'm gonna be so crushed because I've been using this thing for like my whole life. And it's MAC. It's the mineralized skin finish. This is what I use instead of foundation because it doesn't break me out. It's like a powder. Perfect skin color. I've never found like a replacement that's as good as this. Is MAC no good? I feel like MAC's no good.
She not cruelty-free.
She not good. I feel like I knew that. This is gonna be hard. I'm gonna have to find something that works as well. Next, if I'm actually doing my makeup, I would go in and use this to do like some contouring. But we already know this is good, so I'll do this one. Next up, I would do my highlights. Okay. Give me shine, baby. The label is missing off it, but this one is Becca. It's the little one, and then the other one is Tarte. But we know Tarte is good because this was good.
Becca is cruelty-free.
It is?
Yeah.
Yes. Before, cruelty-free was like a, oh, that's cool that you are. And now it's like, you're not. What's wrong with you? Now we can do eyes. So this is a primer by Decay. I have no idea, but I would be surprised if these guys aren't.
Cruelty-free.
Yes. Then I use this, but this is Decay also, so I know that it's good. Can I also just like, to makeup brands out there, can you just make a palette that has like only these light colors? Because I never use any of these dark ones, and it's such a waste. I guess I should buy like individual eyeshadows. Yeah. I should just do that. This one I already know the answer, like I'm 99% sure it's Kat Von D. I think that's her like thing, is that she's vegan and cruelty-free and all that good stuff. But I am curious because there's actually an eyeliner that I like more than this. I'm curious to see if that one is cruelty-free because I like it more.
Kat Von D is cruelty-free.
Nice.
It doesn't say 100% vegan though.
Really?
Yeah. What is your other favorite?
It's Stila. They have a black eyeliner that's like even blacker and sticks.
Next time you're in Sephora, you can also pick up Stila because it's also cruelty-free.
You win an eyeliner, you win an eyeliner. It's hard to do eyeliner this far away. I feel like I'm usually like here. All right, you guys are far away too, so it's okay. You can't tell, it's not perfect. Next would be mascara. So this is like my favorite mascara of all time. It's Benefit, they're real.
And it's not cruelty-free.
Really? Oh, there's other stuff in here that's Benefit too. Well, I'm gonna use this anyways just because I don't have other mascara, but we're gonna have to find something. I'm so upset, like why? Everyone loves Benefit. Like it's, So last thing would be brows. There's two different products that I use to do my brows depending on like what I'm feeling. Like one's a way more chill, easy way, and one's a bit more like in-depth. The chill, easy method is a Benefit product. It's the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Can't use this because Benefit, which is really sad. So the other way I would do my brows is Anastasia, and it's their dip brow, and it involves a brush, which is why it's a tiny bit more work. So what's the consensus on Anastasia?
Here we go. I'm nervous about this one too.
Because you use it?
It's cruelty-free.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes! Although now that I kind of cut my hair, like brows matter way less for me because they kind of get covered anyways.
Same.
It's like, why even try anymore? The last thing that I sometimes do, if I'm feeling fancy, is this, but this is Benefit too. Danielle, we were talking about that, what's that clear stuff? Pink and green mascara that everyone had when they were in like grade 5. Do you remember that bottle? Great Lash. I used to own the clear one, then I bought this because I was like, it's Benefit, it must be better. It's exactly the same. It's just like clear nothingness.
Maybelline.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
Maybe it's cruelty-free. Maybe not. Is it not? No.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna buy that as a replacement then. Well, okay, that's it. You know what, that's not bad. Really, most of the stuff was good, which is good, but two of my actual most favorite things, which is the mascara and the powder, are no good, which is really upsetting. So I think I'm gonna go out, try and find dupes for these things that are no good, that are cruelty-free. Let's go. All right, I'm on my way to Sephora now to see what I can find. So the Sephora ladies recommended that I try out Kat Von D. It's mineral based, which won't make me break out or anything. So this is the color I had from MAC, and they're recommending, I mean, they look pretty similar. That actually looks lighter, but I think it's because the camera is overexposing slightly. But I'm gonna give it a go and see what happens. I mean, I can't see it, so that's a good sign. Usually things look orange on me easily, so I think I'm gonna give this a try. For brows, since we know Anastasia is good and I like their brow gel, I'm gonna just get a brow pencil from them. And lastly, it's mascara to replace my beloved Benefit mascara, but not so beloved anymore. I'm looking at Tarte because we know Tarte is good, and check this out. Their bestseller is even vegan. Heck yes. I am back. So in my search of going cruelty-free, here's the things that I picked up from the makeup store. I got this Kat Von D Lock-It Powder Foundation. For my brow substitute, I got this Anastasia brow pencil. That is not the right end. And it's actually a better color for me, so win-win. And then for mascara, I got this one from Tarte because we know Tarte is good. All of the products that I mentioned will be linked below if you want to check them out or learn anything else about them. Thanks so much for joining me in this journey, guys. I hope this encourages you to maybe think about your makeup bag and go through it and change anything that you feel like you need to. Also let us know if you enjoyed this new format. We're gonna play around with different video ideas and formats going forward. So thanks for hanging out with me today. And if you like this video, make sure you like it. And if you love it, make sure you sub it. And we will see you next time. Bye.